Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Suburban LT four-wheel drive. Stock number Z8350A. 87,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. This Suburban seats 8. Leather interior. Power outlets as well as rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats, fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Advanced safety features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. The third row seat also folds flat, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly four-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, power moonroof overhead, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, that's also where you set the forward collision alert. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. For more information on this Suburban, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.